Alright friends, so we are here to talk about our essential question of what do clouds tell us about the weather? Remember to pause and rewind as you need so that way you can have appropriate understanding, and of course make sure you have something to write on and something to write with. Alright, so clouds form when that water vapor cools and condenses around dust. That's how we're able to see the clouds, because they're actually condensing around the dust. Remember that part of the water cycle when those water vapor cools and condenses is condensation. And that water vapor can condense way up high in our atmosphere because it's cooler up there. Remember, water evaporates when it gets warm, and then it's going to condense as it gets cooler. So clouds can tell us three things about the weather, whether it's going to be fair, rainy, or a change in weather. And remember, fair does not mean in terms of like justice. Fair means the weather that we want to see when we go outside for recess. We want to see nice, sunny weather, not necessarily talking about temperature-wise, but nice, sunny, fair weather. So there's three types. So we have those stratus clouds. Those stratus clouds are those flat and dense sheets of clouds, and those result in cloudy or rainy weather. Cirrus clouds are those super high wispy clouds, and those indicate fair weather, but also that a change in weather is coming. If we see those cirrus clouds, we know our weather is going to change. And then lastly, we have cumulus clouds, which are those stereotypical clouds. Those are super puffy, and those indicate fair weather. So if I was to look at some pictures, I can see right here that these are super wispy, so I know these are cirrus clouds. That means I'm going to get a change is coming. Over here, I see that those are those flat, dense sheets. Those are stratus, so this is going to be cloudy or rainy weather. And then lastly, those are those super puffy puffball clouds, which we call cumulus, which means there's going to be fair weather. Remember, if cumulus clouds build up enough, get heavy enough, they can become thunderstorms, which would be cumulonimbus clouds. So, again, friends, make sure that you have pause, rewind it as you need it to ensure that you have appropriate understanding, and go ahead and move on to your practice when you're ready.